Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully everybody's doing okay. Bit of a last minute change of plan today. The job we were supposed to be going on, the customers literally just text in and say they can't have us today, the husband's not very well, so I'll have to sort some bits out. I think I might head back to that job that I started with the bar and games room project. We've got all the soils and stuff to do on the outside. There's a little bit of digging to do. I'll have to pick up a long radius bend, and then we've got the stacks pop up on the outside. We've got some coring to get through, so me and Aidan will probably head over to there. Sometimes these little things go wrong, but it's nice having other projects to drop back into. I'm not necessarily saying this needed 2 people here today, but you've got to keep the lads busy all the time. We've got plenty of work on, but when you've got sort of jobs booked in, it's what time is it? It's like 6:30 now, so it's too early to like go ringing around all the customers. So yeah, we'll drop back on that one today, and it's the bank holiday weekend anyway, so it'll be a nice easy day for us, and then we've got work booked in next week. So yeah, we'll probably head over there this morning and see if we can get that stack done. This is the job around this back side. All this area was covered, so I've just moved all the stuff. He said the drain was actually under the ground, but it looks like it's been brought up on the brick there. So we can probably just run, because we're not going to be able to alter that from there. I was hoping to bring it across a bit, but it's under that patio now, so we just have to run it up this side, put a T there, elbow, and go straight through, and then we'll put some boss sockets here. We'll put a rod in access onto the bottom of this stack here, I think, and we'll just have to clip it up this side. You're not going to see it because it's on the back anyway, and then I'll show you inside what we got done last time, but at least it saves digging, because I don't want to get anything in that. We're not going to be able to alter that because it's under that patio. This is what we got done the other Saturday. We got all our hot and colds on our heating truck across. So the stack is in that corner down there. I think then bosses, depending how close it is to that corner, are either going to go through that one or that one, and we'll get 2.5 inches brought through, and then we can sort of jig them back to where we want. We'll try and keep them as low as we can within that joist, so we've got plenty of fall. To be honest, it's not far anyway. The shower one is literally, well, my shower pipe's gone. I'll pop a little hole through in a second, but the shower ones are there, so the waste is going to be there somewhere. They're about 113 on them JT trays, and then the basin one is up there, so the runs are only like literally 2 meters anyway, and then that bar one is over there. I think they'll only be 1.25 inches on that bar sink, so I'm going to run one in for the shower, separate one, and then we'll probably put a T on that waste for that basin, and then just run along for that other basin up there. It'll be amply fine. So we're just going to bring our basin waste up here and our toilet waste through. This is all going in units anyway. We've already got the towel rail pipe work in, hot and colds, and the shower pipes across there. And the plaster's coming in. Here's, look, the plaster's here, look. And Nigel. He's in a mood, yeah. I've upset him this morning already. He's going to hit me.
Fuck off.
He's triggered, yeah. I'm hiding behind Nigel. I'm going to start off with the rod and access for this stack. Ow, just stung myself on a nail. Blimey. Watch that, Tom. I'll get some lube on this fitting. Just put my hand right on a nail. We'll be alright. Push that in that way. If the stack ever blocks, you can undo that bung and you've got a chance of rodding it out. And hopefully that drain is set up perfectly clip distance for us, so we can just run that straight through. I have pinged the laser up there on the left hand side of my first clip, so I'm going to put one clip there. I mean, you can barely see the laser in this light, but you can just see it. I don't know if the camera picks it up, so the laser's there.
United were good Sunday again, mate, weren't they?
Oh yeah, we're a good team, yeah. Good team. Not really good at the minute, are they? Get some curious, get straight. I've just been doing a bit of working out, measuring across. So the wall is 300 and the joist is another 300 off the wall, so there's sort of in the zone of the joist is there. So I'm going to call these from outside in. I would sort of normally call them from inside, but there's cars and stuff in there. I don't want to get everything covered in dust. So one there, probably pile it through just to make sure, and we can get these boss sockets set up and the T and everything. That hole there, I only had a 4-inch core cut, so I'm going to have to nibble that out a little bit just neatly to take that. And then the vent, we'll just take it up to the gutter. There's no windows or anything anything on this side. You have to be, I'm sure it's 900 away from an openable window above it, but there's nothing on this side. In theory, we probably could just terminate it there, but we'll take it right to the top. We've come right there, right where we thought it was going to be. That's going to be perfect. So the other one will just go on the left of that as we look at it.
Yeah.
Is that transformer off?
Yeah, it's plugged in.
Please don't tell me the core drill doesn't work again. This Marcus core drill is the bane of my life. I'll have to cut it off my battery drill because the core drill's not working.
I've gone through already.
No, it's through there. I can see daylight. It's nearly through. It's literally on the edge. Oh, that's through, yeah. It's through. That's one through. What is it? Just missed the joist?
Literally, you're on the joist.
Yeah, that's alright though. I must have gone for a little bit of an angle.
You've grazed it.
That's alright.
Yeah, no, so it's
Yeah.
bloody good shot, old boy.
Bloody good shot. Must have gone for a slight angle. It is hard when you're crawling on a ladder. You shouldn't really crawl on a ladder. But as long as you don't fall off, you're alright. It's when you fall off, that's when you're not alright. The Makita SDSs are the best drills, I think. That Marquis core drill is really good when it works. It just spends more time broken than it is working. I think I'm just going to invest in a Makita one. I think that was about nearly 400 quid, and they told me it was really, really good, as they do. But it's just not. So yeah, I did cover the hole up as well before we started coring. So that's pretty much the worst bit of this job done, really. We'll get these all glued in and bossed in, and then we're just going to have to chip a little bit out on that 4-inch to make room for the elbow. That's where we've come through. We've just missed that joist. I think I must have walked the drill a little bit of an angle when we've cored it, but it don't matter. I just need to chip a little bit this way to allow for the collar to go in before anybody says that I didn't core this hole. I normally use a 5-inch one, and the polypipe one fits within that then. But it's not an issue. Hopefully I can neatly just chip that out to make room for the elbow. That's still not quite right. Still got to chip a bit more out of that. We've got to go to another job anyway, so I might be back this afternoon to finish this. And it's already 3:30, but I thought I'd just come and do a little bit more. Yeah, it's pretty alright. Lube and YouTube.
Lube and YouTube.
Can I say that? I don't think I can I?
No, you can. So everyone.
Yeah.
Freedom of speech, yeah.
Something like that. Now, what do you like to do? Lube and YouTube. I'm making a mess. I like making a mess as well. Should be alright, shouldn't it? I'm just getting these Boss adapters glued in into here. Plenty of glue on them. They'll spin as you put them in as well. They shouldn't leak. He says. Glue on my camera. I've got glue on my camera.
Oh, glue all over my tape measure when I accidentally spilled all of it on the floor.
Oh yeah, you did, yeah.
Well, good to what tape measure as well.
The DIY range one.
The Walt.
Well, that one's a bit looser, that. I think she's loose as a goose. She'll be alright. Put more glue on it.
I'm a trade professional.
I see that, yeah.
Tools.
Look at that, look. Not too bad, is it? Just need to measure that piece. More level than his handrail. No, it's bang on actually, to be fair to him.
He's done well, hasn't he?
He's done well there. That was a good guess, that, wasn't it?
Someone else must have done that one.
Yeah. About 5:15 in it, or was it 5:20?
No, 525.
5:25.
Oh, I'll go 520 actually.
Yeah,
Give us a bit of wiggle
5:20.
room.
Yeah, it gives it play, won't it? 5:20.
Butter in a cake.
Oh, nice.
Butter in a cake? Icing cake, no butter cake, do you? Oh, butter icing, you don't you?
Like butter.
Oh, that was much easier, wasn't it?
Certainly wants clip the head on it, and then all we've got to do is boss them waste pipes or bring them waste pipes in and through. So I leave quite a bit through it. Right, still on my, right. This waste pipe, not poly pipe, it's that Hunter stuff, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah, we got it from Turnbulls, didn't we?
Oh, well, this is from MKM,
No,
wasn't
they
it?
didn't have an inch and a half, did they? We had to go over the road and get it, didn't we?
That's Brett Martin.
It's Brett Martin, yeah, or Hunter. Yeah.
Is that Hunter, is it?
Yeah. It's not thicker, isn't it? The fittings do go on.
A bit like me then, is it?
It's just a bit tight.
That's really tight, isn't it? You're going to get that out now.
It's like ridiculous. I can elbow 45 there. That's a that is actually a Hunter or Brett Martin 45, that one, because he didn't have any 45s either. I think something like that will look fine, mate. That's got them waste pipes tucked through. I've got the vent bit to finish at the top, but I might finish it Saturday and do finish the inside bits as well. It's already 4:15 now, so yeah, it's probably going to be about it for today, and I'll be back on Saturday just to finish this last bit off. Right, I'm just drilling some holes down for these waste pipes. That one's done for the basin, and that is the centre of my shower waste. We will have to cut this out a little bit when we get the shower tray, but it's just so I can get my waste pipe tuck across. I think they're setting up the bar in here today as well. So that's the bar front, and then we've got a kick space heater going across somewhere down there, but they'll set it up, and then we've got a little basin or something going in there. This kick space heater is going over here, so again, I'll probably not get this done today, but we've got our pipework already tucked around there, so we'll put 2 valves. This is having like a false bottom in here, so we'll be able to get to all this after as well. So yeah, just concentrate on the waste pipes really. Some bits of wood cut. There's our shower one. Hopefully it should line up with my elbow I've put over there. Bit of a pain to film this because I'm up and down on the steps, but there's an elbow. You guys can't see. Let me get you an angle. That's what I've used the bits of wood for, to get a clip on that side. Looking up slightly. That's got that shower waste in and across. We've got a drop on that all the way back through. So I'm just going to get this basin one made in. We'll have a T there, and then we'll continue it on, and we'll just leave it over there for the time being until we know what's going on with that bar. put that there, swept elbow, T, and I'll probably reduce that just to 1.25 because them little bowls are only 1.25 anyway. Right there, in and done. I think I'm going to leave this there for the time being, and then next time we'll be back to do the kick space heaters and finish off the bar hot and colds and stuff. So yeah, at least they're in and done. Oh, we'll do the shower tray as well when we're back, but everything should be ready for that as well. So yeah, at least we got it pushed on a bit. I'll allow you for that, Graham. He's bloody squirting water out the hole at us.
Graham, stop being a naughty boy. Stop being a naughty boy.
Look at him, look.
Abuse in the workplace, that is. Where's HR?
That's bullying, that is.
What?